Hello everyone. Today it's a continuation from our last recipe that was the air fried chicken with breadcrumbs and egg. But today we're just going to show you without breadcrumbs, quick and easy. So all I did was I just marinated with turmeric, red chili, and black pepper. That's all, and salt. So marinate it for a couple of hours, and I'm just going to put it in the air fryer. And this is again the boneless, skinless thigh. Okay, no oil, nothing else. Maybe some chicken fat. It will come out from the chicken, but that's it. Okay. And 400, let's put it for 15 minutes. 400, air fry. We'll come back in 15 minutes. Okay, just 15 minutes now. Okay, put it back for another 15 minutes. 400. Okay, just finished. Okay, I think it's perfect. So this is 15 minutes one side, 15 minutes the other side. And that's perfectly cooked. Okay, let's taste it. So it's really crispy outside. Okay, to taste it. Okay, let me taste it. This is actually tastier than the one with the breadcrumbs. Okay, we'll have our dinner now, and hopefully you will try it, and hopefully you will like it, and we'll come back with another recipe. See you soon. Bye.